The biggest mistake gardeners make isn't overwatering or underfeeding or even planting the wrong varieties. It's ignoring the role of pollinators in a way that actually costs you real harvests every single season. You can pour hours into soil amendments, compost, and hydroponic nutrient schedules. But if your plants aren't attracting bees and other pollinators efficiently, your flowers don't set, your fruits don't swell, and your yields never reach their true potential. Most people talk about planting flowers here and there, or tossing in some bee-friendly annuals, but they miss the single nectar powerhouse that consistently brings bees back season after season. That plant is so underused that I've watched gardens practically beg for pollination until it goes in, and then everything changes. Here's the reality. Traditional bee-friendly lists are often useless in serious food gardens. Marigolds, cosmos, lavender, they're nice, but they mostly attract casual pollinators. They're not the high-return nectar plants that trigger repeat visits, and that's what drives fruit set in tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, squash, and almost every flowering crop you care about. I've tested dozens of options across raised beds, backyard plots, and even small hydroponic systems, and the plant that stands out, hands down, is borage. So, this isn't exactly new advice, but honestly, it's the kind of thing every gardener should understand before they waste another season with, mediocre pollination. Borage is a perennial herb, but it actually behaves like an annual in most temperate zones, self-seeding really vigorously. Its flowers are star-shaped, blue, and sweetly scented, but honestly, the real magic is in the nectar. Bees are addicted to it. I've seen honeybees, mason bees, and bumblebees just, ignore surrounding flowers entirely to focus on borage patches. In a small raised bed, planting even a square meter of borage can, really shift pollinator behavior in the surrounding area. For hydroponic growers, I've used borage in container pots adjacent to my NFT and DWC setups, and the difference in fruit set is, honestly, measurable. Tomatoes that were struggling with poor pollination suddenly have multiple clusters per plant setting evenly.